Scott Grove here, AWFS in Las Vegas. I'm here with Bob with Prazi. He's got this awesome tool. If you need to cut thick stuff, yeah, I'm just going to let him show you how to do it. Let me switch here.
What we got here is the Prazi beam cutter. It's an attachment that fits right on your circular side, just like changing a blade. Snap it on, 2 bolts. That's our 12-inch. We also make an 18-inch.
Wow.
The 18 inch is our #1 seller. You can cut 14 inches on a 45. You cut 18 inches on a 90. The chain cuts the opposite direction of a chainsaw, so it pulls right into the cut. I can go in now and cut and get a perfect cut every time.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 for 16 inches.
Is that amazing or what? So where can we find you? Prazi.com?
PraziUSA.com.
PraziUSA.com. Okay. Awesome. Thanks, man. Okay. Sign, like, subscribe, share. This is a cool one.